Now maybe you don't want to just do boring stuff with C#, you want to actually make an app. So let's create a new project and let's make an app using WPF. All right, so just choose this WPF application here at the top. It'll be a new solution. We can place them in the same directory and press next. .NET 10, and now it's going to create two different files for us. This first one is XAML file, which is basically like HTML. So if you've ever done web development, this is going to feel very familiar. You can go to this toolbox here, and you can even just drag stuff in here. So I could just drag in a button, and we can name it whatever we want. So we could call it button, or we could just say start. And as you can see, it'll automatically show us a preview right here. Now our CS, our main window.xaml.cs, is actually attached to this window. So if I name this button something, I'll call it Hello World. I'll actually be able to directly access it. Just like that. And this is automatically accessing whatever's in this XAML file. So let's just say hello world.content, because that's how you change the content of a button. And we'll just say it's working. Now, if we run this, just press this at the very top, then it'll create a new window, and this is the application. And as you can see, it's working. This CS is magically changing whatever is in this XAML. Now, maybe we want to be a little bit interesting. So let's keep this to hello world. Let's get rid of this, it's working. And let's say click. So it's a click event, and we'll just say it's a new event handler. So just press tab here, and it'll create a new event handler for us in the CS file. So this is our event handler. It's automatically attached to this button, so you don't have to do anything, it's just here. And now we can just say hello world. .content, we're just referring to the new button again, is going to equal to it's working. Now this should only happen when we click the button. So if we press it, now I can press it and it's working. As you can see, it's extremely easy to use WPF to set up buttons and event handlers and stuff like that. Now if you want to actually access the app, you want to have an executable file, let's just go here to Solution Explorer on the side. We can just right click it, open in File Explorer. So this is my folder path right here, and I can just go to bin, debug, net10, and the exe file will be right in here. You can just take this entire thing, copy it, and paste it wherever you want, and you can open it like this, and it automatically works perfectly. So you don't even have to build it, it's just here for you.